Welcome to this video on working with product management lifecycle. After watching this video, you will be able to define the key role of product owners during the product management lifecycle, identify key activities product owners must perform, and outline collaboration aspects with other teams. Product owners are pivotal in ensuring success throughout the product management lifecycle. They are integral to every phase of the lifecycle, ensuring the product delivers maximum value and aligns with strategic goals. If you are a product owner wanting to bridge the gap between strategic vision and execution, eager to succeed throughout the product management lifecycle, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Product management lifecycle involves various steps from conception to retirement. The lifecycle involves conception, planning, development, qualifying the product, launch, delivery, and retirement. The first step in the product management lifecycle is to conceive the idea of the product based on the need or demand. Product owners serve as subject matter experts. You work closely with product managers, provide insights into customer needs and market trends. Product managers identify opportunities and define product concepts. Additionally, you contribute a customer-centric perspective to evaluate potential value. During the conception phase, as a product owner, you participate in customer meetings and interviews, gain first-hand insight into pain points and desires. You collaborate with stakeholders to define high-level scenarios or themes aligning with the product concept, and advice on technical constraints or dependencies that could influence feasibility. Finally, you collaborate with project managers to conduct joint discussions to define project scope, identify risk, align product goals and project constraints, and ensure strategic feasibility. The next step is planning. Product owners serve as collaborators and translators, refining customer requirements into actionable tasks. The product manager focuses on business case and strategic plans. Product owners translate these into a prioritized backlog. During the planning stage, you develop initial user stories based on the product's vision and customer feedback. Adhere to the INV-EST model, stands for Independent, Negotiable, Valuable, Estimable, Small, and Testable model. Work closely with stakeholders. Identify key features and success criteria. Collaborate with product managers to prioritize features aligning with business goals and objectives. Define acceptance criteria. Provide clarity for development teams. And begin structuring the product backlog. Ensure stories are detailed appropriately and prioritized effectively. Finally, you work with project managers to refine scope documents, ensure customer and business needs are met, and synchronize milestones for deliverables. Consider both customer expectations and development constraints. Ensure realistic schedules for feature delivery considering both customer expectations and development constraints. The next step is product development. Product owners guide the teams in building the product according to plan, maintaining continuous communication with developers, and ensuring tasks are on track. In this phase, you need to finalize and refine the product backlog, ensuring it remains DEEP, which means detailed, emergent, estimated, and prioritized. Actively participate in sprint planning. Provide team with a clear understanding of user stories. Engage with development teams daily. Clarify requirements and resolve issues. Conduct regular backlog refinement sessions. Adapt to priorities or requirements changes. And validate assumptions. Clarify desired outcomes with customers. Finally, collaborate with a project manager to conduct regular status meetings, monitor progress and assess risks, coordinate integration of requirements into predictive phases, and resolve dependencies between product features and project constraints. The next step is qualifying the product. Product owners ensure the product meets its intended goals. Also, lead validation activities, working closely with QA teams, customers, and stakeholders. During this step, you Define and review test cases with QA teams based on acceptance criteria. Participate in user acceptance testing, or UAT. Confirm the product delivers value to customers. Organize pilot tests or beta releases to gather customer feedback. Refine the backlog. Prioritize critical fixes or enhancements, and advise on market validation strategies. Leverage insights from development and customer interactions. Work with the project manager to plan and schedule UAT sessions with stakeholders and customers. Confirm alignment with the product vision. And coordinate changes or fixes identified during validation. Then, launch the product. Product managers lead planning and execution. Product owners provide critical support to ensure a smooth transition to market. In this step, you collaborate with product managers on launch planning. Offer insights into technical readiness and product features. Confirm all pre-launch activities, including final testing and bug fixes, are complete. Serve as subject matter expert during pre-launch training for sales, marketing, and support teams. Maintain contact with development teams during the launch to address last-minute issues. And address post-launch feedback. Minimize disruptions for users. Collaborate with project manager to synchronize go-to-market activities, including promotions and internal team training. Coordinate deployment schedules. Address technical and business dependencies. And address risks or issues during the final stages of launch. After launching, start delivering the product. Product owners ensure products evolve to meet customer needs, incorporate feedback into updates, and ensure continued business alignment. During this step, you gather customer feedback through surveys, reviews, or direct interactions. Refine the backlog with new features, enhancements, and fixes. Facilitate sprint reviews and retrospectives. Optimize development processes. Lead feedback between the development team and customers. Collaboration with project managers is important to identify and prioritize improvements based on project performance metrics. Plan iterative updates or releases. Ensure alignment with operational constraints. And monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, to assess business value. The last step in the product management lifecycle is product retirement. Product owners ensure smooth transitions for customers and stakeholders while documenting lessons learned. As a product owner, you collaborate on end of life, or EOL plan. Transition customers to new products or solutions. Resolve remaining dependencies or issues, and share insights to improve future product retirements. You work with the project manager to plan decommissioning activities, ensure dependencies and contractual obligations are addressed, and finally, document lessons learned to refine future processes. In this video, you learned that product management lifecycle involves conceiving, planning, developing, qualifying, launching, delivering a product, and finally retiring it. Product owners are integral at every phase of the product management lifecycle. Collaboration is crucial for meeting scope, schedule, and budget constraints to ensure product success from conception to retirement.